Hi, I'm Dr. Sudhakar here. I have with me third semester MBA students. I have conducted one career guidance program for the MBA students. In this quick interview, I'd like to ask them about their feedback on the session.
It will be a nice session. It will be a nice session and interactive session. Lot of things I learned.
Helpful for career grooming, sir.
It is helpful for career growth.
How was the session?
So it was very nice, clear and concise. Now I am very clear and concise for what I have to do in the future. Thank you, sir.
In this interaction, I got more exposure for to know on what I'm lacking and what I have to work more on for my.
Sir, it was very helpful for our future career growth.
So it was excellent. It's really helpful for our career.
It was an excellent session, sir. It was an excellent session and it was a very thoughtful insight for the overall departments what you gave. And probably looking after the internships and everything, you might help for that also.
It was good, sir. Thank you for guiding.
So after this discussion, we got many ideas about the internship, what we can choose for the right choice for ourselves.
It was very interactive section and I learned a lot about the industry.
This section is very interactive and informative, especially I got clarity on internships and training placements.
This session is very informative to motivate the future career growth.
The feedback about this session is finally I got a clarity and I made motivation.
This helped me to think in broad perspective.
By this session, I got some clarities about what we have to do.
It's very useful session. You have to know about the clarity about the future, where you want to place and you have to.
It is very informative session and it will help to focus on my career and grow my skills. I've learned a lot in this session about job, internship and personality.
So thank you for giving this session. So I would like to highlight one thing. So you tell me how to build some kind of professional career and steady growth in that. So I love this session.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Sir, actually this was a great session. It was a phenomenal session, but what we are regretting is this should happen in first sem, so we could have gotten more clarity.
Nothing is too late. We'll start now.
We enjoyed it.
Sir, it was innovative and we enjoyed it, sir. We learned something new.
It was an excellent section, sir, where I got to know more about the internships and I learned many things, where to be placed.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, because you gave all important information by step, so that was very useful for us.
Very helpful for me because I have learned more things.
The section was really good and helpful for our careers.
So in this session, my doubts are cleared related to that career and the internship placements.
It was very insightful regarding the individual industries. We got to know more about them.
The session was very motivating and thoughtful and so explorative.
The session was very explorative and we got some opportunity. Where are the opportunity we go to for our internship? So it's for helpful for us.
So it is very positive session and learning the careers and communication skills.
Thank you, sir. It was a productive session and I hope this will groom my skills for the upcoming interviews.
This session is so good. We need this kind of session more. Thank you.
So it was a great session. We have more clarity on what we should be doing and what we should be wanting further.
Brilliant.
The session was good, quite interactive and very useful information for the career growth opportunities.
Thank you, sir. I found your session to be very educative, enlightening, as well as assuring. Thank you, sir.
The session was very insightful and helping navigate those who are still figuring out.
Thank you, sir. The session was great and everything was interactive and also a bit of new information for us.
Thank you, sir. The session was really insightful.
Thank you, sir, for this session. It's so motivative and we got a lot of clarity about our career or job opportunities which we have in our mind from the first. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the session. It was an incredible session as it enlightened us in many ways that we are not aware of before.
Thank you for the session, sir. Good session because we had a good get some information from you and what we are going to do next.
Thank you, sir. The session was very helpful so that it made me to know what my future career is, and it made me to know things what I have to do in the future, and it makes me to focus more on that. Thank you.
The session is more interactive and providing more, gaining more knowledge from this session.
The session was really fun and interactive, and it is motivating. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The session was very informative and fun, sir. It also gave us a future career opportunities to pursue our dreams.
It is more informative, and you gave the suggestions and 90 days that I'll follow that.
Sure, that's great.
Thank you.
It was informative and good and knowledgeable.
It's good and very informative.
Sir, it was insightful. We got to know about different internships have been provided in the
Learned a lot of insights from these classes and got more informative things.
So talking about today's session, you gave us some useful information about how the industry works and what are the practical ways about the industry. So firstly, thank you for this, and it was a quite informative and engaging session, and we learned and you gave us a clear understanding about like how we need to be professional and also to develop the skills. Thank you.
With this, Dr. Sudhakar is signing off from the Career Guidance Program for our third semester MBA students at Karan City University. Bye-bye.